Well, if it's a classic Corvette you're looking for, this could be the car for you. It's a beautiful 1966 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, and this car has factory air conditioning. What a beautiful car it is. It's white on the exterior, and it has code-correct blue interior. The interior has been upgraded to leather seating surfaces, by the way. Under the hood, you'll find a non-original motor. It's a 350 cubic inch engine, and it has been outfitted with the TH350 3-speed manual transmission. Now, features include air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power antenna, power windows, has those genuine leather seats, along with an AM/FM radio, and it has knockoff style wheels that look great. We know the car was originally assembled on October 6, 1965, and as we said, factory air conditioning is available on this car. This car was loaded with desirable features, including power steering, power brakes. It has those knockoff style wheels and many, many other features. It's in good condition as well. The car's paint is in overall good condition. It has a great shine, and with the exception of the windshield, all exterior glass in this car shows a code-correct date, as well as a soft ray tint stamp. Now, the chrome bumpers show a good condition finish. The weather stripping is very good. The knockoff style wheels are in good condition. And, well, this is just a beautiful car. The interior shows very good gauges and leather seats, good condition carpet, steering wheel, dash pods, and very good to excellent door panels as well. Also a very good glove box lid. This has the AM/FM radio in place. It appears to be the correct radio. And as we mentioned, you can find out all the information about the non-original motor as well. It's all on our website at buyavette.net. You can check that out along with some other beautiful pictures. This car has correct air cleaner, exhaust manifolds, ignition shielding, AC compressor, and alternator. They're all in place, along with the L79 valve covers and intake manifold. It also has a Demon carburetor. And the 350 3-speed automatic transmission has been added along with a chrome water outlet, chrome alternator bracket, chrome brake master cylinder cap, and a flamethrower ignition coil. Of course, the frame is solid and rust-free. All of our Corvettes are hand-picked here at buyavette.net. So give us a call today. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. You can contact one of our sales representatives at 770-414-5552. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you'll get notifications of every new car that comes across our showroom floor. We hope to hear from you real soon. We're buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia.